Hello viewers, in this video we will resolve an error that's appear when we try to install any application in Windows 11 operating system. A message appeared, the application you are trying to install is not Microsoft verified. How to fix this problem? Let's start. Let's try to install this application. Right click on it and run as administrator. While installing, this error message appear. The application you are trying to install is not Microsoft verified application. Close this application and click on Windows 10 icon and go into settings. On this interface, find apps option. On this screen, you will find an option apps and feature. Choose where to get applications. Now select here anywhere. And now go back your setup to install. Right click here and run as administrator. Now you can see here there is no any error message appear. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.